Armenian Pasuts Tolma is totally vegetarian. It's a mix of various pulses and bulgur wrapped in a pickled cabbage leaves. Quite delicious, hot or cold. Tolmas supposed to be very large here, so it's quick to make as long as your pulses are cooked and you have good cabbage leaves here. So 4 main ingredients here, it's beans and chickpeas soaked and cooked from scratch until soft, also green lentils and bulgur. Absolutely soft, ready to eat, so those are cooked. Lentils and bulgur, there is no need to cook them, and the fine bulgur works better here. I'm lucky with the cabbage here, ready-made one, but the leaves are even, have no tears in them, quite fine and good size. Lots of onions in this recipe, so I chop them finely, more or less, and then I try to caramelize them, meaning fry them long and slow in quite a lot of oil. Once the onions are done, I would add a couple of generous tablespoons of tomato paste and cook it for a couple of minutes. So now I'm assembling the filling, my soft cooked till ready, absolutely ready beans and chickpeas, and then I'm adding raw lentils there and raw bulgur. There was a bit of water with chickpeas, no problem, we put it in as well. So onions go in. If I would have pepper paste, by the way, I would use it and fry it a bit with tomato paste. It's excellent ingredient, by the way. I don't have it at hand, so I'm just using a paprika here. Sweet paprika, mostly for color, it doesn't have much taste. Black pepper, salt with some caution because the cabbage of course is salty. I always can add salt when Tolma will be cooking. I would just taste the cooking water. I'm adding some dry thyme. If I would have black Armenian basil, that would be great, but I don't. Lots of oil, about 200 mils. It's not negotiable, unfortunately. It just won't be nice if we skimp on oil. I use olive oil here. And a good mix, have a taste. Color is good. Slightly undersalted, right? But remember that, of course, cabbage is quite sharp and salty. It's, by the way, it's absolutely gorgeous. I would eat it day and night, and this is precisely the reason I never make it myself, right? I feel it's not enough pepper here, so add another good pinch of black pepper. Make a triangle incision and remove the tough part of the leaf, and the inner part of the leaf will be inside and the outer part will be outside of our tolmas. And this type of tolma is meant to be large and substantial, so I'm not cutting the leaves, just use them as they are. I have a mix of large and small tolmas here, as when I opened the second pack of leaves, the leaves were quite large. They're supposed to be very large, actually. And as much as I like to play with recipes and change them, I'm sticking today to the proper version of Armenian Pasuts Tolma. I have a mix of large and small tolmas here, as when I opened the second pack of leaves, the leaves were quite large. They're supposed to be very large, actually. A little bit of filling left, not a big deal. So now I'm just using boiling water. Tolmas are not fully covered, maybe 1 finger below the rim of the pot, in case the cabbage will release some water when cooking. You can always add water later. Always cover them with the plate so they will stay put, and cook until very soft. The cabbage is very soft, at least an hour.